Right, welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you know that Karnataka professional tax renewal payment due date is 30 April. So that is one thing. Second thing, the website also got changed. So this is the new website. Early the payment can be done through this website, Karnataka professional tax. But now you can see that option, everything is removed. So now the payment can be done through the new website only. And for return filing, we have the old website itself. So from where we can file our return also. But now to do the renewal, we have to log in as a new enrollment. So with the old number also you can't do it. We have to log in as a new enrollment only. Now here two option is there. One is a self employment where you can by your PAN number you can register it, and otherwise you can, if you have a GST, through GST also you can do it. So our client have the GST number, so based on GST number we can do it. In case if you have a self-employed, if you type your PAN number also, if you type PAN number and that PAN number have the GST number, means system itself it will tell you that you have a GST number, go with through GST only. So better we can come to through GST only. So let me type the GST number and get the data. So based on the GST number, once you click on get data, you will get the other data, and to the respective mobile number only the OTP will go. So let me click send OTP, and the OTP may went to the party. Let me check it out. So once you got the OTP, just click on verify OTP, and here now you have to reset your password. So give the password, and once you give the password, you can after that you can enroll login. So after that only you will able to log in. Till that you are a new enrollment only. So let me give the password and create the login, and click on submit. So once I click submit, the registration done successfully. Just close on that, and now try to log in. So give the GST number and the password what you said. So based on that we can create the login credential. So let me log in. Just click on login. Yes. So please update the profile. So first time you are logging into your portal, so you have to click on update your profile. Just update the profile, and after that we can make the payment. So let me just check it out whether my profile is updated or not. Okay, let me click here. Your legal name and trade name as per the GST it will come. So just copy and paste here. And the status of business is a private limited company, then class. So what nature of work is that, based on that you can select the class. Then date of birth of the company, when the company got registered, then date of commencement, and remaining address, everything is look good. Then you can click on next, and the other thing will be the number of director, or if it is a partnership then number of partner, and if it is an individual then individual case. So in individual case you have to give date of birth and date of commencement when you got this GST registration. So let me update and click on next. So address, name, date of birth, and yeah, everything is correct. Contact detail, everything is updated. Now just click on next, and you can see the director data also is reflecting. So that's well and good. If any correction is there, you can do correction. Otherwise, you can click on next and click on save. So the profile is got updated, and then after that you can make the payment. So let me show you how you can create the payment, make the payment, and download the certificate. Just click on PT payment. Here you can select the financial year, for which financial year we want to apply it. Click on submit. Now here yearly due is a 2,500. In case if any additional place is there in Karnataka, then for that also we have to pay 2,500. And interest and penalty, if any penalty is there for delay filing, they will charge 50% of penalty. So that also you need to make it. So click on make payment, and it will redirect to your net banking. So just select from which net banking you want to make the payment, and based on that we can log in into your net banking and make the payment. So just let me click on submit. Whether if it is a corporate account, select the corporate, otherwise retail. So let me make the payment. Hope you can close your eyes. So payment is successfully done, and this KII reference number, that is a CT number. So kindly make sure you take this copy also. Whether you can save or take the print or whatever you can do it. So this is the payment is done. Now you can take a print out of your certificate. So just click on print, and the form 4 is ready for you with the enrollment number. So company name, address, and everything, and the 2500 which you paid. So you can take this certificate as a printout and keep for your reference purpose. In case if you got any notice, you can share this data. So hope you got the idea what how to renew your form for PT payment. Yeah. So hope you learn how you can do the registration and how can you update the profile and make the payment and print the certificate. So in future, if you got any notice, you can check it out here. MSI report for the payment, whatever you paid to verify to check it, and for verified payment, you can do from here. So this is the new portal. So it will take some time to get more update in this window. Yeah. And how to file the annual return. So annual return need to be filed and monthly return also need to be filed. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, and in case if you have doubt, you can comment below. And in case if you want to learn about this professional tax, then ShopAct and labor welfare fund of Karnataka, then you can WhatsApp me in my WhatsApp number. So I given my WhatsApp number in the description. You can check it out and WhatsApp me if you interested to learn anything about professional tax, ShopAct, or labor welfare act. Yeah, it is definitely it is chargeable, but a small amount only, which you can bear it. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and for more detail you can join our Telegram group also, link in the description. Bye. Thank you.